Welcome to Otica Healthcare Private Limited. Today we are going to demonstrate an unboxing of Otica made nasal wash, or we can say Neti bottle. So this product is exclusively made in India. This is 100% made in India product. Rest majority of the products available in the market is made in China. So this is purely made in India. The specific feature about this product, that this product comes with 3 different types of nozzle, and also there is a flow control on the back side. So we are going to open it, and this is the bottle which comes with a upper nozzle, and inside we have given 3 different kinds of nozzles. So the product comes with the Otica mark, as well as there is a total storage mark: 100 ml, 150 ml, 200 ml, 250 ml and 300 ml. So the product comes, this is the product, 3 nozzles are there, and now we are going to start by providing you the information. The pressure is controlled by this switch over here, and we will put the water inside of the bottle now. Otica has given 3 different kinds of nozzle. One is for adult, one is for pediatric, and one is for small nozzle. So make sure you put it a bit firmly tight here, and we will put the adult. This is the adult nozzle, which is properly manufactured, so there will be no sharpness over the surrounding edges. Now the product is ready to use. You can see there is no water leakage without pressing the water release button. So this is the main advantage of our product. So after pressing this button only, the water will start coming out. When you close it, there will be no water coming out. So this is how our product is made. This is the first nozzle, which is adult. You can easily replace the nozzle. This is for a small nose with 4 different types of valve. You can see this is a small 4 different streams. Then we will change it from medium nose to, this is for the pediatric small nose. It will come like this. So this is how our product comes, and this is the Otica make Neti bottle, or we can say a nasal wash. Thank you for watching.